1. Who is the current ICC chairman 2025? Right answers. Jai Shah. 2. How many teams will participate in the 2025 Women's ODI World Cup? Right answers. 8. 3. Who has been appointed as Meta India head from 1st July 2025? Right answers. Arun Srinivas. 4. Which country university topped the Impact Rankings 2025? Right answers. Australia. 5. Which country topped the 2025 Energy Transition Index? Right answers. Sweden. 6. Which country did not attend the IBCA assembly? Right answers. Nigeria. 7. Who is the Director General of IBCA? Right answers. S. P. Yadav. 8. UNGA declared 2026 as the International Year of the. Right answers. Women Farma. 9. How many new airports have been approved in Bihar under UDAN? Right answers. 6. 10. Which airline was named Best Full Service Airline in 2025? Right answers. Qatar Airways. 11. Who gifted PM Modi the first printed Sanskriti grammar book during his Croatia visit? Right answers. Andrej Plenkovic. 12. In which language was Philip Wisden's Sanskrit grammar originally written? Right answers. Latin. 13. Who is the current Defence Minister of India attending SCO meet? Right answers. Rajnath Singh. 14. Where is the SCO Defence Ministers meeting in 2025 being held? Right answers. Kingadao. 15. Which country is hosting the 2025 SCO Heads of Government Summit? Right answers. Russia. 16. What is the name of the special schools for PWDs as per new MoU? Right answers. SAID. 17. Who directed the award-winning animated film Desi Om? Right answers. Suresh Iyer. 18. Which Indian institution topped the QS rankings in 2026? Right answers. IIT Delhi. 19. Which IIT jumped 47 sports in QS rankings 2026? Right answers. IIT Madras. 20. Who won the Unlimited Table Tennis Season 6 title? Right answers. U Mumba. 21. Maruti Chitmapali received which civilian honor in 2025? Right answers. Padma Shri. 22. Who is India's new High Commissioner to Canada? Right answers. Dinesh K. Pattanaik. 23. Which country topped FDI destination in 2024? Right answers. USA. 24. Who is the Director General of IBCA? Right answers. S.P. Yadav. 25. On which date is Global Wind Day celebrated worldwide to promote clean energy? Right answers. 15th June. 26. Which country topped the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Right answers. Iceland. 27. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Right answers. 131st. 28. What was the retail inflation rate in India in May 2025? Right answers. 2.82%. 29. Where will the Shakti 2025 exercise be held? Right answers. La Cavalleria. 30. Who is the current president of ADB? Right answers. Masato Kanda. 31. Where is Equitas Small Finance Bank headquarters? Right answers. Chennai. 32. Where was the National Conference on Agri-Stake held? Right answers. Sushma Swaraj Bhavan. 33. Where was the Tiger Claw exercise conducted? Right answers. Kampati. 34. On which date is World Blood Donor Day observed? Right answers. 14th June. 35. What is the projected real GDP growth for the financial year 2025 to 26? Right answers. 6.5%. 36. Which city has become home to India's first night safari? Right answers. Lucknow. 37. How many medals did India win in the World Boxing Cup 2025? Right answers. 6 medals. 38. Who has been awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025? Right answers. RBI. 39. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Right answers. Jasprit Bumrah. 40. Who is the author of the book Bravest of the Brave? Right answers. Satish Dua. 41. Where was the 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting held? Right answers. Brazil. 42. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Right answers. Sanjay Malhotra. 43. Who won the women's single title of French Open 2025? Right answers. Coco Gauff. 44. Who was honored with the prestigious Pen Printer Prize 2024? Right answers. Arundhati Roy. 45. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital in 2024? Right answers. Samantha Harvey. 46. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answers. Indonesia. 47. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Right answers. Dinesh Maheshwari. 48. Where is the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board established? Right answers. Nizamabad. 49. Who received the prestigious IF World Space Award in 2024? Right answers. S. Somnath. 50. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympic 2024? Right answers. USA. 51. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Right answers. Bhuvnesh Kumar. 52. Who has been re-elected as the President of the New Development Bank, NDB? Right answers. Dilma Rousseff. 53. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Right answers. Arvind Srivastav. 54. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Right answers. Punjab. 55. Who has been honored with the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award 2025? Right answers. R.K. Sri Ram Kumar. 56. Which film has won the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Award 2025? Right answers. Anora. 57. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Right answers. Masaki Kashiwara. 58. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award 2025? Right answers. 7. 59. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature? Right answers. Hakan. 60. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Right answers. Surya Bala. 61. Who was awarded the Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma Award 2025? Right answers. Achyut Samantha. 62. What is the total cost of the FPV Achal? Right answers. 473 crore. 63. How many players were awarded Arjun Award in 2025? Right answers. 34. 64. Who has won the BBC Sports Women of the Year 2024? Right answers. Manu Bhakar. 65. Who has been awarded the Best Film Award at the IIFA Awards 2025? Right answers. Lapta Ladies. 66. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Right answers. Kumar Mangalam Birla. 67. Who has won the World Press Photo of the Year 2025? Right answers. Samar Abu Elof. 68. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Ans. 4. 69. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Right answers. Jasprit Bumrah. 70. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Right answers. Narendra Modi. 71. Who was awarded Laureus World Sports Women of the Year Award 2025? Right answers. Simone Biles. 72. Who has been awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025? Right answers. Ram Sutar. 73. Who has been awarded the Windham Campbell Prize 2025? Right answers. Rana Das Gupta. 74. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Right answers. Chandrika Tandon. 75. Who has been awarded the Best Film Award at the IIFA Awards 2025? Right answers. Lapta Ladies. 76. When was the Swamitva scheme launched? Right answers. 24th April 2020. 77. Which country won the 14th Sudirman Cup in 2025? Right answer. China. 78. When will FIFA Women's World Cup expand to 48 teams? Right answer. 2031. 79. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2025? Right answers. Yantra. 80. Who is the current president of the World Bank? Right answers. Ajay Banga. 81. Under the SpaceX mission, which two satellites recently completed their second successful docking? Right answers. SDX-01 Chaser and SDX-02 Target. 82. Who inaugurated the Gorhia and Borsho Boron Utsav 2025? Right answers. Manik Saha. 83. Which state government has launched the Pink E-Rickshaw scheme to empower women in April 2025? Right answers. Maharashtra. 84. The Bullseye Galaxy, LEDA 131342, was recently discovered by using which telescope? Right answers. Hubble Space Telescope. 85. Which organization has released its World Economic Outlook, WEO, a critical juncture among policy shift report in April 2025? Right answers. International Monetary Fund, IMF. 86. Arun 3 hydroelectric project that was recently seen in news is located in which country? Right answer. Nepal. 87. Advanced Light Helicopter, ALH, Dhruv is developed by which organization? Right answers. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. 88. Which state government has launched the Resham Sakhi Yojana to economically empower rural women? Right answers. Uttar Pradesh. 89. Which state is the host of Bharat Summit 2025? Right answers. Telangana. 90. What is the theme of World Malaria Day 2025? Right answers. Malaria ends with us. 91. How many youths are targeted to be trained under AI Pragya initiative? Right answers. 10 lakhs. 92. Which ISRO mission failed due to a third stage anomaly? Right answers. PSLV C61. 93. Max Verstappen represents which team in Formula 1? Right answers. Red Bull. 94. Which department signed an MoU with GREPP for climate tech entrepreneurship? Right answers. DIT. 95. Who represented India at the BRICS Energy Ministers meeting in Brazil in 2025? Right answers. Manohar Lal. 96. What was India's coal import volume in the financial year 2024 to 2025? Right answers. 263.56 million tons. 97. Which country became the first Southeast Asian member of BRICS in 2025? Right answers. Indonesia. 98. Which state was announced to be developed as an organic fish cluster like Sikkim? Right answers. Tripura. 99. In which country was the 17th edition of Lima 2025 held? Right answers. Malaysia. 100. World Hypertension Day 2025 was observed on? Right answers. 17th May.